In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage ChatGPT to analyze and visualize your datasets effectively. Whether you're handling sales figures or any other type of data, this guide will help you transform raw information into actionable insights. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open ChatGPT. Navigate to chatopenai.com. There, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you're ready to begin by starting a new chat session. This fresh slate allows you to interact with the AI and explore your data without any distractions from past conversations. Next, we're going to upload or paste your data into the chat. For example, let's say you've gathered a small data set of monthly sales in USD. Suppose your sales were $1,200 in January, $1,500 in February, $900 in March, and $1,800 in April. By placing this data set in the chat and requesting an analysis, ChatGPT can provide you with valuable insights into the trends and patterns present in your data. Once your data is uploaded, it's time to ask ChatGPT for summaries. You can simply type in a request like, "Summarize this data set and explain the key insights in simple language." The AI will process your request and return a summary that highlights pertinent trends and crucial data points, making it easier for you to understand your data set at a glance. Now, let's elevate your data analysis by adding visual elements. Request ChatGPT to generate visualizations by asking it to write Python code using libraries like matplotlib. For instance, you can instruct it to create a line chart of the sales data corresponding to the months provided. Visualizations like this one can make data comprehension far more intuitive, allowing you to spot trends or anomalies quickly. Analyzing data often involves performing comparisons. Ask ChatGPT to compare the sales performance in different time periods. For instance, you might want to evaluate the sales from January and February against March and April. You could inquire, compare the first 2 months with the last 2 months. Which period performed better and by how much? Such analysis will help you identify which timeframes were most successful. To achieve a more advanced level of data digestion, ask ChatGPT for deeper analysis. For example, inquire about potential reasons behind a sales drop in March, alongside strategies to improve performance. This prediction can help you tackle challenges proactively, optimizing your approach in future scenarios. Finally, once you've gathered all insights, visualizations, or any generated code, you can export or reuse the results. Simply copy what you've obtained from ChatGPT and paste it into Excel, a Jupyter notebook, or any business intelligence tool you prefer. This step allows for deeper analysis or creates a polished report. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to analyzing your datasets using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.